What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. How y'all feeling today? I am feeling wonderful, guys. Today's drink of the day is gonna be Aquafina water. Y'all, I got to slow down from drinking a little bit because I think that's why I can't lose weight fast. So we're gonna be drinking a little water today. Now, don't get it twisted. We're going to be back to our wine Wednesdays, but we're going to drink a little water today. Yes. So, guys, today we have on the platter Lash Me Monthly. Y'all know this is one of my favorite subscriptions. So, yes, guys, we won't be long today. So, if you guys want to see what's in February's Lash Me Monthly, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, guys, so really quick, y'all, how are y'all feeling today? I'm feeling good. I hope all of you guys are feeling wonderful today. I hope all you guys are feeling blessed and all of that good stuff. I hope that my positive energy and vibes are bouncing onto you today because TonyaNicole is sending you guys so much love. Y'all don't know. I'm telling you. Today, guys, we have Lash Me Monthly. Y'all know it's my favorite, and we're going to get right on into it. But first, I have to thank my 5 first commenters from my last video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, I'm going to plaster y'all name right across this screen right here. I appreciate you. Thank you. So let's get on into the specs of this box. So if you guys do not know, Lash Me Monthly is a $21.99 lash and beauty subscription. You get 3 pairs of personalized lashes each month and 3 full-size beauty products. Once you go on their site, they'll have you fill out this big quiz and to help personalize your box more to you. Also, the lashes are cruelty and fur free. And that's it, people. That's all. If you use the code Tonya, you can get $5 off of your first box. So without further ado, my loves, boo, let's get this bag on and pop. Well, bag. Let's get this box on and popping, boo. You need a dance break and a drink break? I do. Okay, y'all. So y'all know that the box comes like this every month. Such a cute little box. And we're going to open it up right now. Okay. I love that it's bubble wrapped to protect anything in here that may be fragile. And the theme for this month is sweet love. Ooh. You know, February is, I told y'all, Black History Month and the month of love. Don't y'all feel a love? I know y'all do. On the back here, it gives us a list of all of the products we have in the box as well as the prices. So let's go, boo. We're going to do the lashes first, of course. So up first, ooh, so I just want you to know for my quiz, as far as this box, I chose glamorous lashes. So first up, we have from Lash Me Monthly, these lashes right here. These are TonyaNicole style. Y'all know I love a nice dramatic lash. Well, not too dramatic, but these are perfect. I could definitely work with these. They're gorgeous. They're nice. They feel so soft. They are the same length all the way across, it looks like. So yes, guys, these are definitely lashes I can work with, definitely. And these retail for $14, guys. The next pair, ooh, some more TonyaNicole styled lashes. And that's what they're looking like, guys, right here. And these are also from the Lash Me Monthly brand. So this is what this pair looks like. These are not as dramatic. These are more of like a natural looking lash for me, I guess. But it could be dramatic on some people. I do like them, though. They are full, nice, all the same length across. I do like those. So yeah, we got another winner, boo. These are cute. And these retail for $14 as well. And the last up, guys, are these lashes right here that look similar. Well, not really. These are the last pair of lashes that I received, guys, right here. And these are super cute. These are definitely a style that I like. All of the lashes today are ones that I could definitely wear. That's what they look like. These are definitely like more of a work lash for me, or like an everyday daytime look lash. These are beautiful. And these are $14 as well, guys. So we got these 3 pairs of lashes. Ooh, aren't they cute? Don't y'all love them? I know. Next up, we have from Mellow Cosmetics, matte liquid lip paint right here from Mellow Cosmetics. And we have the style, the shade, I'm sorry, London. So let's open it up. It says it's a long-lasting creamy formula That's a hydrating texture and will give, ooh, oh, well, we know this is not for me. I can't wear that. That is so, so, so pink. I hope you guys can see that, but it's a pretty color, just not for TonyaNicole. So I will definitely be putting this into a giveaway. And let's see what this retails for, guys. This is the Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint, and it retails for $16. Okay. Next up, we have from Floor & B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Now, y'all know I love a good eye cream, especially anything that's going to help me not age around the eyes, boo. And this is 0.6 ounces of product. And we believe in empowering all women to feel comfortable in their own skin. For some, that starts with the basics. That's why we're donating 1% of all sales to help distribute menstrual hygiene products to girls in need. Oh, that's cute. And all you need to do is dab a small amount around your eyes for radiant, revitalized skin. Treat yourself in the morning and at night. I haven't heard of this brand before, guys. If you have, let me know in the comments. This is what the little jar looks like right here. It's nice. And let's open it up. Has a little seal on it. Lift it up. It doesn't really have a scent. That's what it looks like on the inside, just like a white cream. I'm gonna take a little bit. This is a lot for eye cream because all you need literally is like a little tiny bit around your eyes. So let's see. Feels a little thicker. Doesn't smell, well, this smells like Desitin too, like that Desitin diaper rash stuff. I don't know. I think this is the first time they put a skincare product in the box. So I do like that. I like that they only put one, and I hope Lash Me Monthly only keeps it at one. I don't want a lot of skincare Lash Me Monthly. I like just one product. That's good, okay? And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Floor & B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream, and it retails for $22, guys. And last up in the box, we have a palette, and it's called Hey Baby by Amoras. And you slide it out like that. And let's give it an open up and see. Oh, girl, come with a mirror. Hey, boo. Let's take the little plastic off so that you guys can see. We're not going to swatch this one because we're going to put it in a giveaway, but it is a beautiful, it is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I hope you guys can see all of these beautiful colors, and they're in the style Moonstruck, Dreamer, Never Enough. This is really pretty, guys, and this is a pretty spring palette, so I think that would make a nice spring palette, absolutely. And let's see what this little baby retails for. And this is the Amoras Hey Babe palette, and it retails for $9, guys. Okay, my loves, so that was our final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap, final thought it out, and then we're gonna be done, boo. So we received from Amoras this Hey Babe palette here, from Floor & B this anti-aging eye cream, from Mellow Cosmetics this liquid lipstick here, and from Lash Me Monthly these 1, 2, 3 lashes here. So that's 6 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is, y'all already know what it is. I absolutely adore Lash Me Monthly. It is becoming one of my favorite subscriptions. I mean, the variety of lashes that they give me, as well as an eyeshadow palette. Now they're giving me an anti-aging eye cream, a lip product. I mean, I must say I am really enjoying this subscription. I thought this box was a nice little touch. The only thing I didn't really care for was the color on this lipstick, but 1 out of 6 products to me is like, I mean, I could just put this in a giveaway, and I'm putting this in a giveaway too because I don't think that I would go to this palette a lot. I think I would use it, but I don't think I would reach for it. And I know somebody else would get a lot of good use out of it, but I did like the palette. So, I mean, hey, I think it was a pretty decent box. Y'all know how I feel about lash subscriptions. Y'all know, and this is a good one, y'all. So, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn river! To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give Lash Me Monthly for the month of February, the love month, a solid 4 for this month, guys. Yes, a 4. I enjoyed the box. I love Lash Me Monthly, and I think it's a really good deal, guys. Yes. So that's TonyaNicole's stamp of approval. So guys, do not forget, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. Let me know if you are subscribed to Lash Me Monthly or not. Also, don't forget that I am working on doing an eyelash video. So any questions that you may have for me to answer in the video, you can leave them down below in the comments or on my community tab. I have a question that I started. You can answer under there. Either or, it doesn't matter, guys. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to your girl, you need to go on and do so. Follow me on all social medias. All of my links will be down below. I am most active on Instagram though, guys. And yes, y'all, that's all that I have for today. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you have fun with me drinking water, which I didn't even take no dance breaks or drink break because I ain't got no liquor. That's why. But that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all so much. Bye.